Hey, what's up guys, it's a girl withNomathami aka Snake Clothing. You are watching my weekend vlog. I'll be preparing for a shoot. Welcome to my YouTube channel and please stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.
Okay, so first off, we're gonna start with my hair. These are the products I'm going to use: brilliant bleach powder, olive oil mousse, and a small comb for the hairstyle inspo that I'm about to do. Let's go. Hi guys, this is my hairdresser. Say hi. Like, we're literally just cutting my hair, guys. This is what my hair looks like after my hairdresser cut it. Now we are about to apply. Okay, I think it's in my brand. Okay. So now we are about to apply this petroleum jelly on my but I look nice. Am I trusting the process? It burns.
I begin to
You know.
You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh, you're mine for sure.
Fashion is the most powerful art there is. It's movement, design, and architecture all in one.
I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome, but I can't promise that you got me out of whack. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss, but I can't promise that you got me out of whack. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. I never really liked the way you dressed. I guess I thought your style might